You may have seen this type of animation going viral on social media.
Strength isn't just in the muscles, it's in the mind. Every step forward is progresses, so calm your mind, and the path becomes clear. Keep moving, no matter how slow.
In this tutorial, I will teach how to create this animation using only Canva. Create new project. I will create a video project in Instagram format. Now, we have blank canvas. First, make sure your duration tab is selected. If you want to learn about Canva in detail, then I have made a separate video. First, let us change the background of the canvas to black. In this way, we can make our own grid lines. Now go to Elements and search for grid lines. Go to Graphics tab and select one of the grid lines. I will select this and adjust. But first, let's change its color to white from black. And fill the screen. Reduce its transparency so that our character is highlighted. Now again go to Elements and search for Stickman. You will see the characters here. But we want moving characters, not static. That is to click on this 3 dot, then filter this animated options. This is a quick hack to get only animated character. After doing this, select any characters that you like. In this example, I will select this character for my design. To complete this design, let's input a motivation text. I will use ChatGPT to use get motivation quotes. Paste it in our design. To do that, go to Elements and search for text, or simply press T on your keyboard. Now adjust the text to add uniqueness. Highlight main text with other color. Now duplicate the page. Before that, let me mention one thing, that is you can adjust timing of your design by simply dragging the timeline. Now continue with duplicating the page and delete the character so that we can input our other character in the design. Go to this page. And again go to Elements tab and search for our other character and do the same for this character as well. Bring it to our design, then going into ChatGPT for motivation quotes and bring it in our design. Now adding some text animation by clicking on Animated. Then select any animation that suits in your design. This way you get professional looking design. Now let's animate our main character. Click on our main character and select Animate. Then select any one of the animation. And lastly, adding transition. These are the 3 things you must do to create this animation, otherwise you will not be able to animate it. For the third one, I will teach you a different style of animation. Go to New Page and check Animated, then search for Stick Person again. I will select this one. In this type of animation, I will teach you how to adjust timing of any animation. I will again select any one and put in the same page. This one is black, so let's make it white color. Adjust. Now right-click and select Show Timing. By doing this, you will see the object timing. Reduce it. Now click on Other Animation and do the same. Make some adjust and align the position. Let's bring our motivational quote to our design. Pre-D and paste it here. Let's highlight some of the main words. I will divide the words. Like we did with the design, let's adjust timing of the words too. You will be little confused at first, but don't worry, you will get hang of it. Let's input another animation, but you guys must be getting confused with this timing tab, so I will select hide timing to hide this timing tab. Just right-click to get this menu. And go to ChatGPT to get our motivational quote. Copy and paste it here and highlight the main part. Let's animate the text first. After that, we will create a running man effect. So to do that, click on the character, then click on Animate. Then click on this B icon. Now drag the character from one edge to other. Choose Style to Steady. Now to finish our design, let's add transition on all our pages. And in this way you can create this type of animation using Canva. To learn more about Canva, I have made a detailed video regarding this topic.